Hey, house. Still so warm here, so beautiful. Just thought we'd take you outside today. Look at that sky. If you can actually get it. Absolutely stunning. Now that is beautiful. I wish I had a really good camera to take some pictures of that. It's absolutely stunning. So garden is looking beautiful, and I'm really thinking about getting my splashing out with Abe's money, because I can't travel to back to the UK probably this summer, to buy a Blackmagic 6K camera and rig it out, and actually start really making some videos and actually make a couple of goes at those movies again that I so much enjoyed back in the past. So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to that. That's what I'd love to capture. It's so silent here, so beautiful. Yeah, so have you come here? Have you stayed? Have you stayed at the house? It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that sunset. Out.